Okay, my name is Damon Chako and I am an IELTS trainer in Darshana Academy since last 15 years. Today, through this video, I like to share you something about writing task 2. Okay? ഈ റൈറ്റിംഗ് ടാസ്ക് 2 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എസ്സേ റൈറ്റിംഗാണ്. അതിനകത്ത് പല കാര്യങ്ങൾ പല വെബ്സൈറ്റിൽ ആൾക്കാർ പറയുന്നുണ്ട്. പക്ഷേ ടുഡേ ഐ ലൈക്ക് ടു ഷെയർ യു എക്സാക്ട്ലി വാട്ട് ദ എക്സാമിനർ വാണ്ട് ഇൻ യുവർ പേപ്പർ വെൻ യു റൈറ്റ് എൻ എസ്സേ. The first thing is that introduction. What is introductions? The first part of the introduction is the paraphrasing the topic statement. The paraphrasing signifies whether you understood the topic or not. Many times what happens, people write different things, add something extra in the topic sentence of introduction, and this may reduce your band. Exactly what is given in the topic sentence, try to paraphrase as it is by changing the structure without changing the meaning of the context. The second part of the introduction is restating your opinion if it is an opinion essay, or restating the question if it is an analytical essay. These two things is very important. No need to give any explanation, examples or reasons in the introductory part. This is very important. And I think that you need a lot of corrections with your mentors to overcome the presentation of the introduction in a right way. The second thing I always share with my students that before writing the body of the essay, you need to create the points, whether agree points or disagree points, cause problem. First you make a point. Based on the point, you develop your paragraphs. Then only you can write essay within that context. I see many people write points when they are writing the paragraphs. So there may be a chances that your essay paragraphs may drift away. This is very important. And I always tell my students, agree side you make the points, disagree side you make the points, then you make a choice which side you can write, develop better, and that side only you support it. Normally many people go for agree side always because they think it is easy, but many times I think the disagree side also give a easy point which you can develop conveniently. The third part is the conclusion. It's very important part. In conclusion, we have to rephrase our opinion with slight advices or certain suggestions which gives more weightage to your opinion. So keep in mind, the points is very important. Before writing an essay, decide your opinion and decide your points. And that point should be in the first sentence of the paragraph. Many people start writing the explanation in the paragraph. But I suggest to put the points in the first sentence, then you start developing the paragraph. The paragraph content should be the points, explanation, example. This is the order you have to write the paragraph. And avoid the repetition of the same ideas in the paragraphs. So this is all about, so the things which I mentioned in the essays, the first important thing is paraphrase. The second thing, your thesis, means your opinion. And in the paragraph sessions, points, explanation, example. This order you should maintain. The content of the paragraph should be more on explanation rather than example. Many people try to fill the paragraph with examples rather than explanation. So focus on more on explanation, and if you require example, you write down it. So that's all about writing task 2. If you have any types of comments, you can post it. We will share with you. We'll be in touch with you.